Imagine waking up and suddenly your Gmail, YouTube, Facebook, everything is logged out. Your backup codes don't work, your recovery email is changed. This is exactly how most Gmail hacks start, silently, overnight. Let me show you how to make sure this never happens to you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mendit Tech. Today I'll show you how to completely secure your Gmail account with the same steps cybersecurity experts recommend, so even professional hackers can't get in. Let's begin. Step 1. Create a strong, unique password. Most Gmail hacks happen due to weak or repeated passwords. Go to Google Account, Security, Password. Make sure it's 12 to 15 characters, a mix of symbols, numbers, uppercase, not used anywhere else. Never reuse your Gmail password on any social media or Wi-Fi. Step 2. Enable two-step verification. This is your real shield against hackers. Go to Google Account, Security, two-step verification. Choose one. Google Prompt, fastest. Authenticator app, most secure. Backup codes, save offline or write on paper. Even if someone gets your password, they cannot enter without the second step. Step 3. Check all logged-in devices. Go to Security, Your Devices. If you see unknown phone, old device, suspicious PC, tap Sign Out, then change your password. Many hacks happen from forgotten logged-in devices. Step 4. Remove risky third-party apps. Go to Security, Third-party apps with account access. Remove anything that you don't recognize, don't use, didn't install yourself. Hackers often enter Gmail through these background apps quietly. Step 5. Enable critical security alerts. Turn on alerts for unknown login attempts, password changes, suspicious activity. You'll get notified instantly if someone tries to access your Gmail. Step 6. Update recovery phone and email. Go to recovery options and make sure your recovery phone, recovery email are updated. This helps you recover your account even if someone tries to lock you out. Step 7. Secure your phone itself. Your Gmail is only safe if your device is safe. So always use screen lock. Avoid cracked modified apps. Don't share your phone password. Don't log in on other people's phones. Step 8. Avoid Gmail phishing tricks. Hackers mostly use fake Google emails. Never click links on "Your Gmail will be deleted today." Confirm your password now. Suspicious login detected from unknown email senders. Always check the sender address before clicking anything. And that's how you make your Gmail account almost impossible to hack. If this helped, like the video and comment below if you want a full guide on Google Drive security or Android privacy settings next. See you in the next one. Mendit Tech, signing out.